Hello guys, welcome to my channel with new interesting video, and in this video I am going to show you how to make your PC talk with you when your system power on. So without wasting time, let's start it. So now I am going to make a document file on Notepad. Okay guys, we already write our code. Now save it as welcome.vbs. So here you can see that file created on desktop. So now copy this file and open localdisk, open this PC and localdisk C. Next go to user, next your profile name, and now we need to go on top and click on view. Next click on hidden items and go to app data. Sorry guys, I am just checking. Go to app data, next remaining, next Microsoft, next we need to go Windows, next start menu, programs, and startup, and that's it. Here you have to paste that file. Now refresh and close the window. So now just volume up your desktop and restart your PC. So here I am going to restart my PC. Let's see what happened.
Welcome to your PC, boss.